What's the meaning of curettage? Curettage. Curettage.
Curettage. Curettage. Curettage is a medical procedure that involves scraping or suctioning tissues from the inside of a body cavity or surface. It is commonly used to remove tissue that is diseased, infected, or abnormal, such as growths on the uterus or pregnancy tissue after a miscarriage. The procedure is typically performed under anesthesia and can result in temporary discomfort, bleeding, or infection. Curettage may also be used for diagnostic purposes, such as to obtain tissue samples for examination in a laboratory. Overall, the result of curettage is removal of tissue to treat or diagnose various medical conditions.